Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty eventful day, as is always the case with Tesla, but I will say that now that the dust has settled and as we head into the weekend here, definitely a very well-defined pattern that maps out and allows us to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, which is what I like. I just like a couple different technical levels to watch those areas and then see how the price behaves relative to those areas. And that's what we have here. We have a nice little pattern, and I want to make very clear this is not some sort of pattern that I have some sort of special ability with, or that this is some sort of secret discovery. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching both these levels, which is important because, as I've said in many videos, when lots of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have in this situation. So the first part of the pattern is the support portion, and that is down here at $424. Going through the history of the past couple of days, you can see the price bounced beautifully off it. And then even this morning, that opening 30 minutes, down the price went, and look, surprise, surprise, right where the price bounced off it again. So my point here is this. Nothing is guaranteed. That doesn't exist. But if the price were to come down to that level, it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that if the price does break down through the 424 mark, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure and carry everything back down below $400 or $420, if not more than that. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a rational thought to have. On the flip side of things, the level that a whole lot of longs are going to be watching is this resistance trend line right there, which as of now, there's been lower highs that have put in via that and that area right there. So again, same logic, no such thing as a guarantee, but it is a rational thought to have that if the price could somehow work its way up to that area and then get the break up through it, that break in and of itself very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So overall though, those are going to be the two main levels to watch moving forward. Again, you're going to have all the, the breakout players and longs watching that level. You're going to have all the shorts watching that area right there, and not just a question of which way will the price ultimately break. Let's see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.